Okay, so this is where I got up to in the last video. The door frame has been placed in, solid as. So the actual door panel's been cut out. It's painted on one side, we've got to paint it on the other. You can see it as a pencil line. But what? That panel is going to be cut out about 1 inch, 25mm wider than what the door is. That'll be put on the outside, and then a rubber sealing strip we then glued on, and that'll keep water and dust out. At least that's the plan. Oh, there she is, guys. That's the outer skin to the door. This is going to have a rubber seal run around this part here, and hopefully that's going to keep water and dust out. So the next thing to do now is paint her up. Okay, so that's the outer door skin painted up. Now I've got to put the actual door on it and mark it all out. Okay, so we're just adding some pine ridging around the side. Along this side here is where the door handle's going to go. It's a standard house door handle, so it needs at least 40mm for that to go into. So I've got to put a couple of these in here. The ply door had a little slight bow on it, so that there straightens that out. So yeah, we're going to hold it all in now, and hopefully this will all work. Okay guys, the door's folded up. Alright guys, this is going to be hopefully what keeps the water and dust out. It sticks on, and I might try stapling it as well. Lock it from the inside and open it from the inside. Okay guys, I've got the angle cut out. So you can see how it all mixes in. So now it's just a matter of drilling all the holes, countersinking them, the bolt holes, and the angle's done. Okay guys, so where you see the hinges, that black plastic strip, that's mostly to try and keep dust out if you're driving over gravel roads. Gonna try and make it kind of look a bit better than what it is, so we're gonna put a couple of aluminium strips down, see how that looks. Okay guys, so that's the aluminium strips going down, makes it look better. And I'll about up here, I might leave that. Okay guys, so I got this angle fitted. This whole side now is ready to just have the glue put on it, and then the panel all screwed into place. So that's the final side. Just waiting for the glue to dry, the paint to dry up a little bit more, and then it's going on. Okay guys, the glue's all on. Time for me to see if I can fit this thing. Wish me luck. Well, all the sides are on and the door's on. All I got left to do now is the roof, the windows and the wiring. But apart from that, guys, it's coming along really good.